Nakawala si nanay tsaka si tatay. Hanap natin. Nauna na si Regine doon kasi may schedule yung bus natin eh. Try lang natin sila hanapin dito sa may dam.
This is us. For the next 28 days, we will be traveling and working remotely in Japan to have a glimpse of what it looks like living here. Samahan nyo kami and let us guide you to different places in Sapporo, Tokyo, Nikko, and Hakone. This is part of our 30ish Days in Japan series, kaya be sure to stay tuned kasi at the end of this series, we will give you a breakdown of all our expenses for this trip. For this video, samahan nyo kami as we explore Jozankei, ang onsen wonderland ng Hokkaido, and Hokkaido University naman sa Sapporo, as we spend our last days dito sa Hokkaido.
Good morning! Day 12 namin dito sa Sapporo. And ang plan namin for today is mag-onsen. Pero yung onsenan is sa may Jozankei. Outside siya ng Sapporo. So ngayon naglalakad kami punta ng Suzuki, no? Nandun malapit yung station ng bus na kailangan natin sakyan. Let's go! Onsen 7:38.
Jozankei is well known for its natural hot spring, beautiful scenery, and relaxing atmosphere. After 1 hour of bus ride ay nakarating kami sa Tourist Information Center ng Jozankei. Ang first stop natin for today ay ang Hoheikyo Dam ng Jozankei. And nag-antay lang tayo mag-open yung Tourist Information Center to purchase bus tickets. Limited lang kasi ang bus trip sa dam and usually may mga dalang sasakyan yung mga nagpupunta dito.
Eigaで、はい、2バス、や5ダムライナー、でダムパーキング、エレクトリックバスチェンジ、ワンウェイ10 minutes、でホヘイキョダムリターンエレクトリックバス before 11 o'clock、でダムパーキング11:15、okay?
It is a 30-minute bus ride and a shuttle ride na tatagos sa dalawang tunnels para makarating sa Hoheikyo Dam. Hoheikyo Dam is a notable structure in Hokkaido that creates the Hoheikyo Reservoir, na nagsaserve na source of hydroelectric power dito sa Hokkaido. Many tourists visit the dam for its scenic surroundings, especially during autumn season. Merong maiksing cable car ride na you can use para pumunta sa mas mataas na observation deck. Meron ding trail na pwede nyong lakarin papunta sa taas kung medyo mahaba ang pila ng cable car.
Nakawala si nanay tsaka si tatay. Hanap natin. Nauna na si Regine doon kasi may schedule yung bus natin eh. Try lang natin sila hanapin dito sa may dam.
After 1 hour na paghahanap ay nakareceive kami ng message kay nanay at nauna na pala silang bumalik ng Jozankei town. Hindi rin daw kasi nila kami makita kanina. Na-miss namin yung bus schedule kaya nag-decide na lang kami to use our time to explore yung scenery between the tunnels. in-explain na lang namin sa driver nung next bus yung situation namin, kaya hindi kami nakasakay dun sa original bus schedule. Pinasakay naman kami and di naman kami nagbayad ng additional fare. Naipagkita kami kay nanay at pumunta na kami sa next stop namin sa Jozankei. Jozankei Shrine, also known as the Hoheikyo Shrine, is a Shinto shrine located malapit sa Jozankei Onsen area. If you're looking for a tranquil environment to connect with nature, this is a nice place to stroll and to stop by. Around Jozankei Onsen area pa din is the FUTAMI Suspension Bridge, 20 minutes away by foot from Hoheikyo Shrine. Favorite spot din ito ng mga tourists, especially during autumn season. "20 minutes away naman from Futami Suspension Bridge ay ang Jozankei OHASHI Bridge. It is made of concrete and much bigger kumpara sa Futami Bridge na tao lang ang nakakadaan. Parang galing Studio Ghibli film yung view ng Jozankei from this bridge. Since Jozankei is known for its natural hot spring, there are several places in the town kung saan they offer free foot bath, and isa na dito ang Jozankei Onsen GENSEN Park, kung saan nilublob namin ang mga paa namin para magpahinga saglit. Our last item sa ating Jozankei itinerary ay ang Hoheikyo Onsen. Isa ito sa bucket list ko to try out public onsen in Japan, and it is a very unique experience, I would say. Bawal lang syempre mag-take ng picture dahil may mga iba kang kasama. Pero ito yung itsura niya from their official website. After namin mag-onsen and mag-dinner, we head back to Sapporo via bus. Hindi na kami naglakad ng masyadong malayo dahil may bus stop na din sa labas lang ng onsen. Last day namin dito sa Sapporo, kaya nag-aayos kami ng gamit.
Good morning! Last day namin dito sa Sapporo, kaya dala-dala na namin itong mga maleta namin. Papunta kami ngayon ng Sapporo Station para i-coin locker muna yung mga maleta kasi 8 PM pa naman ang ating flight, para makapaggala pa rin tayo around the city and enjoy Sapporo one last time. Na-deposit na namin yung luggage namin, kaya meron na kaming time para maggala pa dito sa Sapporo City. Let's go!
Our first stop for today's itinerary is Hokkaido University, or Hokudai, a prestigious and comprehensive university here at Sapporo. Tourists are generally welcome to explore the campus grounds, take photos of the buildings, and appreciate the university's architecture. Pero it's important to respect the university's rules and regulations.
Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need.
Dito na rin kami bumili at kumain ng lunch sa convenience store sa loob lang ng campus.
Stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah, that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait, no.
Isa sa pinakasikat na area sa Hokudai ay ang Gingko Avenue, kung saan naka-line up ang mga ginkgo biloba trees. This iconic avenue is one of the highlights of Hokkaido University. Madaming tourists, especially photographers, visits the place during this time to capture its unique and stunning beauty. Last item ng aming Sapporo itinerary is we revisited Nakijama Park to have a nice stroll and explore the areas na hindi pa namin napupuntahan. Nakakatanggal ng pagod yung relaxing environment dito and nice ending sa aming Sapporo trip. We are now heading back to Sapporo Station to get our luggage sa coin locker. We'll be flying back to Tokyo tonight for our next destination. I hope na you were able to have a glimpse of Sapporo and Hokkaido during our stay. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. See you on the next one. Bye!